Okay, create your ad. So you can either upload audio, that's audio that you've created, 15 or 30-second files, OGG, MP3, or .wav. Make sure to watch the video I created, which is a very cool video that shows you all the right settings you need to apply to your audio file before uploading to Spotify Ad Studio. So everything here is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to actually try out their voiceover service. Request a voiceover, write a script, and we will record it for you. So let's do that. Now, I kind of have got an idea of what I'm going to put here. So let's say, would you like a next... Oh, hang on. Let's make sure we write that correctly. Would you like a next level audio ad for your business? Visit musicradiocreative.com and let a team of international specialists help you. I think that's what I'm going to go for. Something like that. Oh, bit more. Help you to sound great. And then musicradiocreative.com. Okay, so 34 words there. So I can request the voice actor's pace to be very slow, which is good. You can go into the recommended zone here, or very fast. The voice actor may need to adjust their speaking rate to fit your script within the 30-second ad. If this is not the desired effect, we suggest increasing the number of words, or providing detailed speaking instructions below for your voice actor when to speed up, slow down, or pause. Okay. So I'm going to say slow down, and emphasize. I can't spell this today. Emphasize, it's correcting me to British English there, the web address. musicradiocreative.com. Also, add power to next level to, let's say, to the word next level. Okay. Choose language, English, North America I'd like, as we're going out in the United States. Voice profile, okay, cool. So they've got a different range here. I'm going to go for male middle age. Thanks for watching this video in the Spotify Ad Studio tutorial series. Stick around for the next video, and if you'd like your own audio ad created, we'd love to help you with that. Head over to musicradiocreative.com.